Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to math. Today, we will continue with our lesson on 4.12. 4.12, problem solving with multi-step division problems. Today's I can statement. I can use the strategy draw a diagram to solve multi-step division problems. Let's take a look at a problem together. A firehouse pantry has 52 cans of vegetables and 74 cans of soup. Each shelf holds 9 cans. What is the least number of shelves needed for all the cans? Before I start, I am going to make sure I write the word cubes. It is the strategy that I am going to use. First, I am going to circle all of the numbers. I'm going to circle 52, 74, and 9 cans. Now I have done my cubes. For the C for the cubes, I am going to go underline my question. My question is, what is the least number of shelves needed for all the cans? Then I am going to box the clue words. A firehouse pantry has 52 cans of vegetables and 74 cans of soup. The word and, that is our clue word because that tells us that it can be an addition problem. When I go to the next sentence, each shelf holds 9 cans. The word each implies division. I know that I will have to do an addition and then division to solve this problem. So let's go take a look how we can solve this. The first thing that I am going to do is because I know that pantry has 54 cans of vegetable, I'm just going to write 52 cans. This is my cans for vegetables. And remember how I said the word and implies addition? They also have 74 cans of soup. I'm going to write 74, and that implies soup. I'm going to go on and add 52 to 74. When I do my math, I get 126. But I am not done here, boys and girls, because it is asking us each shelf holds 9 cans. And it is asking what is the least number of shelves needed for all the cans. So I will need to take my 126 and divide this by 9. If you have a hard time, let's do with the long division. When you do the long division, don't forget to have the top and bottom chart where I list my counting numbers for my top, and I will list my multiples of 9 for my bottom numbers. Now, once I have listed them, I'm going to go check on my number. Take a look at the first number. Can I take 9 away from my 1? The answer is no. Then I take a look at 12. How many times can I take my 9 away from 12? I go back to my top and bottom chart. 9 is closest to 12 without going over. Putting 1 on the top, 9 on the bottom, subtract. Then I have 3. Bring down my 6. Go back to my top and bottom chart. Look for the number that is closest or right on 36. I found 36. I will put 36 on the bottom. 4 on the top. Subtract. And my answer is 0. I know that my quotient, my answer, 126 divided by 9 will be 14. Therefore, boys and girls, we will need 14 shelves to hold all of the cans. Now, if you are still struggling, I've included the ISE video. You can also use the websites that I included to practice additional division problems. Try to use the office hours with your teachers if you're struggling. You did a wonderful job today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.